afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 44 says the process of exercising legitimate power is known as dash. Now, when we talk of legitimate power, is different from power itself. And legitimate power, let's define legitimate power. Legitimate power simply means power that is backed up by the support of the people, and not only that alone, and constitution of the land. That is the people support, and that part can be gotten through what we call election, because election is the only democratic way or process by which political power is attained. So political power is legitimate if the people gives their mandate to the political office holder. So that type of power is refers to as authority. Yes, not bureaucracy. Bureaucracy has to do with office procedure. Then coercion has to do with force. Governance has to do with administration. The supremacy has to do with power to rule the people. So option A is correct, which is authority. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.